Yo, what's happening, y'all? Today we got us a quick little vid, man. As y'all know, when we was going to Chicago on the way there, my tire fucking exploded. So I've been riding on the spare on the way there and on the way back. So today, we obviously gotta go get a new tire. I've ate shit today. You know when you trying to sesh and you ain't eat none today. Nigga stomach start hurting. What the hell? That shit on 0% battery. But let me tell y'all what happened to my tire, right? We on the way there. We like an hour, 50 minutes in. I didn't go say hour. Maybe an hour, 50 minutes in. You know the drive to Chicago from Naptown is like 3 hours, gang. The GPS take us through this country path. Like, bro, I've been going to Chicago since I was a kid. I've never seen this country path. Why they take me on this bitch? Maybe the road was closed or some dumb shit. I don't know. I'm not going too fast, but I am going a little fast. Like, all I remember is this little bridge that we went over, and I just flew through that bitch. I was like, I'm not slowing down. I flew through that bitch. I was really trying to get to the rack. We get back on the highway, and I feel my car shaking weird. Oh no, my car already shake a little because it's old. And so I'm like, Vaughn, is this the fucking shake that we usually feel? He like, bro, I don't know, your car always shaking. Bro, I don't think this is the normal shake, gang. This don't feel like the normal shake. I tried to speed up to get in the fast lane. I could not speed up. Like, no, why am I not speeding up? Why is my car doing this right now? This semi drove past, and then my wheel was like, and I was like, it was like, ooh. I was like, Terry, no. I said, is that me or is that the semi? And then we was like, I don't know. And then the semi go past, and then a piece of my wheel just come off, and I'm like, damn, this really true. This reality, my wheel really off. So we pull over, we pull the spare out. I had the tools, try to get the tire off. We lift the car up. The fucking tire is rust welded to the fucking bolts. So we didn't know what to do. So we had to call the emergency line. Yes, we went fed. We called the emergency line. So I'm on the phone with the dispatch lady, and she asking me what highway I'm on. So I gotta run down all the highway, run down the whole highway to see the sign, tell her, hang up. And as I look up from my phone, I see a blue buggy car. I'm like, what the fuck? Who is that? I'm black, so bro, we taking precautions. Like, I'm stepping back. I'm like, who is that? And I start peeping in the rear view, and it's this lady, and I'm like, is this a white lady? What the hell? And then I look, and she Hispanic. I'm like, oh shit. So I got a little more comfy. And then she rolled the window down. They couldn't speak English, but they could speak a little. I see her husband. I'm like, oh. They talking to me. They say we can help you. They back all the way to the car. And I ran back. Right? He pulling out all the tools he can. He opened his trunk. He got a whole workshop in the back of his trunk. That's why we love Hispanics, bro. They the GOAT. Hispanics, they always come in clutch, y'all. Right? He come in with that John. He trying everything. That shit is really rust welded on. We doing everything. We kicking it. We trying to take the bolts out, put them back in. Bro, we driving the car, stopping it hella hard on the brakes. And then one time, he just started kicking it. Him and his wife started doing some. And then that bitch, he did one spin. It was on some soccer shit, no racial. He did a spin and then said, boom. I was like, yo. I looked at Terry, that bitch came off. I was like, yeah. We were so lit. Right when that bitch come off, we looked, the cops pull up. We like, oh, we good. Good thing it was a nice cop. She wasn't on that for real. She didn't take the whip. We bullin'. So she let us go. We was back on the road. We made it to the rack, and y'all got all the videos. We got y'all, man. Next trip, we coming way harder, man. No doubt. But hey, let's go get this tire, man. Let's bounce. Yo, we in the whip. Let's get this shit busting, man. When we on the way there, I'm gonna play y'all some songs. You know, no copyright, cause these are my songs. Just to let y'all know. We'll see y'all there. Let's vibe. This is on me, you was dead. I read that we already got alone. This is on me, you was dead. I bitch, I was dead. I LBC go right. No niggas this for a drum on my drink. I bet bitches be putting on my I'm going to bitch. Let's do it. Every day, we get a long catastrophe. Bitch tripping and they keep asking me. I think all of my husband matters. You want to smoke me? Yeah, so many guns we get like niggas be too fucking with the charge of hoes. You people so then you gon' die. You wanna pay roll, get outside. Starting route to discount time. This nigga was just gon' push the ride. Hold on, let me run that shit back. That shit hard. This is on me, you were dead, I read out, we already got a loan. This is on me, you were dead, I bitch, I was Kate, I be sicko. Close range of the drink, I'm a sicko. 80 degree where I ride, black up, black out, black up, all my backpack, it's in the ice. Black on my head, cause I'm drawing that light. Big out of nation, I ain't got a lot. I didn't put that on brother, we'll get awesome and throw all alone. It's a disaster, it was still like a sucker. Put in the bag, I ain't playing with no one. This for a jump on my drink, I won't ever get me, put on me when I'm going. Let's do it. On the high seat, and I got the roses in it. I don't know the dragons in it. Every day, see the million and love catastrophe. This is on me, you were dead, I read out, we already got the loan. This is on me, you were dead, I bitch, it was Kate, I held the dick up. Put the big guy, call that sicko. Close range of the drink, I'm a sicko. 80 degree where I ride, black up. Roll up the house in the third, I love. Man, you can't tell me I ain't the hardest YouTube rapper. We move like the Taliban. Draco put word in my hand. Draco put word in my hand. What do you think that money spread? Easy riding, all this shit. I just need that ruler still. I try to change the fuck. You want your brand? Y'all better see where your heart at, kid. Drinking to go your bag again. Why would I give a nigga a chance? Why the fuck would I shoot at your legs? Cause it, yeah. Strike up, we need a lot of never gonna live with a car. Go on the lookout, see some alarms. Too many niggas fun. Without the weed, nigga. Fears on it. We move like a Taliban. Draco put word in my hand. Draco put word in my hand. Sniper will play, make a fuck nigga dead. Feel that money spread. Music robbing, all this shit. My friend wake up, my balancing. I just need that ruler still. I try to change the fucking bag. Said I can't, but I know I can't. What? Really shit with no breath. The Draco ripped the spot now. Bitch gave a little spy out. Hit the spot forever, hide out. That bitch tell him it ain't no guns in, he gon' go. Who we be not to stand on business, shit what we known for. Catch a goofy, slam dress so hard I broke the wood off. Do a 60, drop another 60, man this bitch so water. Y'all niggas ain't touching me, see how he dodging, does it straight. Y'all niggas ain't got no range. He striking, he brought back an SRT, I said that's no more bitch. I said go bring something faster, why'd you try something like what? The Cartiers when I look faded, the best piece, I'm amazing. When it came round, I'm an Asian. After we drank some Middle Eastern. What? And that shit beautiful. Bodies dropping fully. Getting in one, they can't book me. Hit your block with OG Snoop. But it was strapped. 2,000 shots till like everyone's strapped. 2,000 shots to the break out your house. Niggas thought he was safe, but I'm inside the house. I'm in the closet, creep behind the couch. Stupid, he high as hell, laying down. Rapping with silence and so lights out. $2,000 for a tryout. She tryna hate with the pop be out. I got the fire every time that I'm out. I get my shirt up, make them kiss the curb. All the niggas get burned up. I used to pay her for the blood roll. She like that, what you say goes. I'll be tasking at the Rango. Pop the top seat.
motherfucking hectic. 2 shots of the drink, make it back low. Eskimo, but all black. Got the drink, the wet tag. One body drop, 2 got away. Oh, bro, them niggas not the same. A closed story, closed case. Get back for your brother now. Get back, that don't mean shit. Just get back, you be fellas. You know how this shit get. No, with bitch, stay in east. Nigga, you try press so I run his ass. I'm out of squeeze the please. Niggas know how this shit get. Barely Kevin, baby, the shit. Drop his first, who you speak. I need both, ain't dropping shit. Like on the street, I'm on the strip. Pop out no ass for the blood. I'm like, come on, nigga, I did the only time I leave on his. Man, hold on. If y'all want that song, everybody go spam Pool Task and be like, bro, do your verse. Do your verse. Do your verse for Tapskatty, bro. He never did his verse. That shit is like 2 months old. Yo, hey y'all, we here. Hold on, I gotta check my tire size, gang. I forgot my tire size. Alright, y'all, let's go in. I'm trying to chase the fucking bed. They said I can, but I know I can't. Cause I really only need 1 tire. I don't need all 4. All 4 is definitely OD as hell. Only 1 came up. Why'd I get all 4 if I always need 1? Hey y'all, we just got the tires finished, y'all. We smooth as hell. I don't know what we finna do now. Might go back home, get some tour videos in. Yeah, the nigga tricked me to get 2 tires. I was only supposed to get 1. It's smooth. He told me my tires was like old as hell or some shit, and I definitely needed the new ones. So I was like, bet. I definitely need to get the new ones. Alright, y'all, we back home. See this one? My last one was fucking cooked and broken. Damn, they didn't even put no rim on this one. That shit full as hell, y'all. No cap. I appreciate everybody for tapping in, y'all. Go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, both tapskatty, the same username, tapskatty. Hey, and I've been peeping y'all using my profile picture, bro. That's lit, bro. I want to thank y'all. I'm gonna put it back on the screen for a quick second. But I appreciate everybody using that shit, bro. That shit actually means hella. It means damn near the world, bro. It's like a little community, gang. Strong community. We gotta build that shit, bro. We need. Damn, where did y'all go? I'm trying to get 1 billion people. I'm gonna have to see all my subs with the 550 profile picture. No cap. But y'all enjoyed today's video. Let me know some. Today's little vlog. I wish I was really doing that in the fucking place. I had to just sit down and wait. Sit down and wait. Couldn't really do nothing. But we finna get more vids in, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this one, like the like button, share it with your homies, subscribe. Jesus loves y'all. I love y'all. 550 out, man.